So yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to the day 27th of it. And today we have this medium level question in front of us. So see what we are trying to do here is this is a box given to us. We are trying to find the shortest possible path, right? Shortest possible path. So they are saying like find a path from top left to right bottom, which minimizes the sum of all numbers along its path. So we can insert the shortest possible path if you consider these numbers as the distance, right? So what we have to do is we have to find from the 0 comma 0 to this particular number. Okay, it is in this case 2 comma 2, right? We have to find the shortest path. In the highlighted one, you can see this is the shortest path, right? So what I am planning to do is I will be using the caching approach, which will be working with memoization. What that means is, for example, I will initialize my cache will be a similar data structure with a similar square, which will have all the values initialized with none values. Okay, it will have all the values initialized with none values except the last one. The last one will be the same as this one. So what that means is, I will just print and show you. I'm hoping that you are clear with the question. The question asked is that we have to find the shortest path from 0 comma 0 to the rightmost bottom node, and the path should be shortest. That means the sum of the all the numbers which we have in the path should be the shortest one. So I have just printed how it looks. See, this is how it looks. This top one. So it will be a similar, like it's a square given. It will be similar square, but the only thing is the last variable and this variable will have the same number. So what I am trying to do with memorization is, I think till now I have not shown you any such approach in all my videos. So see, what I am going to do here is, yeah, I will. For example, I'm at five comma this location. I'm at five. So from five, I will try to find the path which is taking us me to the right bottom, but it will show the shortest path from five. So in this array, as you can see here, cache of I comma j stores the shortest path from I comma j to bottom right node. Okay. So for each I comma j here, it shows the shortest path from I comma j to the bottom right node. So this is what is cache of I comma j, right? So I will just quickly print and show you finally how it will look. So yeah, this is finally how it will look. For example, if I am at 4, okay, from 4, what is the shortest path? It will be 4 plus 2 plus 1, okay, which is 7, okay. This is the 7 one. Suppose I am at location, this one, okay. I hope my mouse is visible at this location. So what is the shortest path? 3. Suppose I am at this location, this 3. What is the shortest path? This path, okay, so which is 6. Similarly, I am at 5. So what is the shortest path? 5 plus 1 plus 1, which is 7, okay. I'm at this 2, so what is the shortest path? 2 plus 1, okay, which is 3. So I'm dislocate this one. So what is the shortest path? 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1, okay, so it becomes 8. This way also it is 8, and this way also it is 8 only, okay. This way also it is 8 only. So this is what my grade is. So what is the idea is, I will be like caching these things, okay, so that I don't have to redo the calculation for each of the boxes. So first be clear what I'm doing here. Cache of I comma j stores the shortest path from I comma j to the bottom right node, okay. So this is how I'm initializing it, and is the vertical. That means from 114, this dimension you're seeing, right? That is the length of that, and m is the horizontal length. Okay, 131. This length you are seeing. This is the length m. Cache, I'm using exactly same data structure which I've got for the grid, where the dimensions of cache and grid are exactly same. I'm initializing the right bottom element with that of the grid value, and this is the function which I'm going to use. I will be calling it for 0 comma 0, and it will be automatically calculating for each of the nodes. Let us see how. So if my value is already cached, so return that value, otherwise don't do it anything, okay. I'm installing a variable x comma x with infinite value. If the right move is possible, see x comma 1, okay. See, basically, if a right move is possible, then move to the right, then explore that value. So it will explore that and store this value here. If a bottom move is possible, go for that. And finally we will take x comma x as the minimum of the right move and the bottom move, okay. This is the right move, this is the bottom move, okay. Finally, whatever value comes, that value I will add with the location's original value, which is x comma y. See, we are doing for x comma y, right? So will find this is the shortest path from that node, and I'm adding the value of the node to that as well, and I'm showing it in cache. Finally, cache will be returned. You can clearly see this also is getting returned, and this also is getting returned the same value. I'm starting from 0 comma 0, and finally I'm returning also from 0 comma 0 the path value. Okay, so how it works is, first suppose I'm doing it for 5. 5 will ask for the value of this one, and 5 will ask for the value of this two. Suppose these are not calculated, so it will start calculating. There is nothing to the right of this one, so it will go to the below one. Below one, yeah, it exists. I told you the last value is here, so it will populate from 1 to this value. Okay, so this the value for the cache will become 2. Similarly, when it comes here, there's no value to the bottom of it. There's nothing to the bottom of it, so it will only go to the right, and it will populate the value 3 here. Now the right and the bottom value of 5 is populated, so the distance for it will be calculated. In this case, it is 2 is smaller this way, so 2 plus 5, it will become 7 here. Okay, this is 7. So which values it refer? It referred to this value and it referred to this value. It took the shortest, which is 2 in this case. This 2 and I added 5 on it, would become 7. Okay. If we take the example of 4, so let us say we are starting with 4. So what will happen is, there is nothing to its bottom, so it will go to its right. It will start calculating its right value. Its right value is suppose not there, so it will again start. So it will go to the bottom, which is not possible. It will go to its right. Its right value is 1, so it will add 1 plus 2, which is 3. This will be found first. Now this 3 will be used to calculate the shortest path for this value. So 4 plus 3, it will come as 7. So what our aim here is, we are creating this cache, and from this cache we are getting the answer. For any value of this cache, what is the thing is, we are storing the shortest path from I, j to the bottom right node. Okay, so yeah, that is all about today. So hope my solution is clear. Okay, thanks a lot.